Hey everyone, something to go on here, and today I will be playing some Dog Puppy Simulator. Um, so, in this one, I will be, playing, just playing just doing some Puppy Dog Simulator. I wasn't requested on playing this, but I'm gonna be playing this for one of my mom's friend's daughters. So, let's get this show on the road. Oh, no. I'm gonna get some points out here. Let's see. I wanna go on the car. I'm going on the car. Look, I'm a high jumper, so. Next jumper! Yeah! Yeah! Oh, wait a minute. Got some lamps open. Ultra distraction! Yep. That looks fun. It's probably a girl or a boy. I don't know why she's saying I need a boyfriend on my screen. Hi. Oh, Matrix. Yep. I'm coming! Coming! There you go. I spilled the beans! Whoa! Gah! Yeah, so I helped Puppy. Whatever. It's not gonna go outside. So I could do. What? Ultra! Attack the bathroom! God! The human's gonna get us. Get going before the human. Yep, you did. Yeah, I'm in. Whoa, that's fun. No, I just want to watch TV. Back off. Man, what kind of person would be in a room without a TV? Huh? Oh, wait, this is my room. Yeah. You know what? I'm gonna end the video right here. Just a quick gameplay. I'll talk to you guys. Bye. Oh, no. Yeah. This dog is following me. It's like that she likes me or something.